Hi, Pranti.
Hi, how are you all?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, Vidyut, you start working on the invitationals, right? Have you started working?
Um, uh, Excuse me, Pranti.
Start working on the invitationals for geometry.
Okay.
It should be easy. You want me to
Mm,
post some question papers here in this group?
yes, please.
Okay, there will be several things that you don't know, but you try.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you don't know, we'll go through that. Meaning, the time we finish the book, it will be too late, right? So I really want you to do it quickly.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. I didn't see homework from some of you. What happened?
Wait. Oh, hold on. I sent my homework. Did you see it?
I sent my homework.
No, Anish. Yours I didn't see.
Actually, I
Hmm.
did it.
I didn't see it.
I sent my homework.
Wait, I have it. It's right here. I have it.
Okay. Only when you submit it, I can see it, right?
It must have glitched. It must have glitched. I'll make sure to submit it as soon as the class finishes. Okay.
Huh? What is that, ma?
It must have glitched, so make sure to send it as soon as the class finishes.
Sure.
Yeah, bye.
Are you
Oh my God.
seeing my screen?
No, it's black. Yeah, it's black.
Something happened. I shared. It's interesting. I don't know. Interesting. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
can we move on? Okay, today, see, I'm going to skip a little bit. I'm going to go to Pythagorean theorem, which is in Unit 6. This is so important when you start. When you start solving for competitions, Pythagorean theorem and special right triangles become so important. Let's try to finish both today. So I know I'm skipping, but this is not new to you. Pythagorean theorem is not new to you, definitely. Okay. What are the types of congruences we have discussed till date? Do you remember?
ASA, AAS, SAS, SSS.
What
Uh,
congruence is not? What congruence is not there? What congruence is absurd? It's never exists.
AAA.
SSA.
Oh,
SSA is the very bad one. Okay, AA is not a congruence. When two angles are similar, when two angles are equal between two triangles, then they are similar, not congruent. You got it? You know the definition of congruence and similarity, right? Congruence means same shape, same size. Similarity means same shape, different size. Got it, guys? When I say similar, right? One triangle is either bigger than the other or smaller than the other. If it is bigger, it's enlargement. There is always something called dilation occurring if it is similar, or reduction. Both have the common term dilation. You see what I mean? Okay. Before I go into that, right, I just want to give you an intro to this. The thing is, types of congruence, we have already discussed this, you clearly know, and we also discussed that there is nothing called SSA. There are more types of congruence. When it comes to right triangles, I did not get to discuss the congruence. Today we'll discuss when we discuss Pythagorean theorem. So there will be some continuity of this today. Okay. We have not discussed similarity, but in the context of congruence, you should really know what is similarity as well. Congruence, this is how you mark. Similarity, this is how you mark. You got it? Order is so important. If I say ABC is congruent to triangle ABC, is congruent to FDE, the first two sides are equal. You got it? The order is so important. Similar is the case. If I say ABC is similar to triangle FDE, the same case, but they are of different size. Here in congruence, the sides are equal in length. In similarity, the sides are proportional. What I can meaning, if I talk about similarity, right, the sides are proportional, meaning the sides, right, always differ by a scale factor. AB by FD equal to BC, the second two letters, divided by DE is equal to CA by EF. Do you all get it? I'm writing proportionality. AB by FD. BC by DE. You see, I can say this triangle multiplied by 2 on each side will be this triangle. So there is always a scale factor involved. It can be greater than 1 or it can be less than 1. If it is less than 1, it's reduction. If it is greater than 1, it's enlargement. There is not much of difference between congruence and similarity though. Types of similarity we'll study later. But the concept of similarity is very nice. Here you can say AB is equal to FD. But in similarity, you can't say that. What would you say? AB by FD will be a factor. It can be half or it can be twice. It depends whether it was an enlargement or reduction. So, when it comes to similar triangles, there is always a dilation between the two triangles. The dilation factor is what you multiply with. What is the dilation factor of congruent triangles? What is the dilation factor of congruent triangles? 1. Good job. Who said that?
Me.
Yes, it's 1. Did you get it? Because the size is congruent, right? Latisha, you're following, ma? Okay. Vishnuram, you're following?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Wait, Ashok has been missing his classes. Why? Usually, I don't want to ping. Swarit will come back next week. But what is happening with...
Miss Priya, are we having an hour 30-minute class today, or is that next week?
Illama, we'll start next week, ma. Why, you know? Because Swarit's mom has really requested from the start. You see, for several 2 years, she has been asking me to shift the class time. I'm not able to because of Siddha, Shyam. I've been telling them and they understand as well. Okay, if we change the time, Shyam cannot attend his classes. You see what I mean? So, she also requested that Swarit will be absent for 2 weeks only. What happened was, I cancelled the class and pushed it, right? So, I didn't want to take it when he's not there. You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But, so, we'll do it for next 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks we'll do, ma'am. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. The thing is, I don't know why he's not. Anyway. Okay. How about this? Okay. So you understand the concept of congruence and similarity, right? Can I take it that you understand the concept of... We will solve a lot more problems, but I really want you to understand. Now let's go to Pythagorean theorem. After discussing this, we'll also discuss what are the congruences in right triangles. I don't want this pencil. Okay. Now, how about this? If I say this. What is this side, guys? You know, right?
8.
I think you know this.
8.
What is it?
8.
Yep. How do you know? You know 30, you know...
45, 45, 90.
Oh, you know those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you taught us that.
You taught us that last year.
Oh, wow. I'm good then. 45, 45. I didn't realize it. 45, 45, 90. And did I also go over 30, 60, 90?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, then a lot of it... Okay. Time will not get wasted. Okay. So let's revise that and move on. See, I thought, okay, I have to teach this today so that you'll all be prepared for some sort of any competition that comes up. Okay. So that's a good one for me. Okay. How about this? Okay, let's try this. 7R, R plus 1. Find R. See, then I'll give you the questions directly. If you don't know, we'll solve together. There's no problem at all. Then you can do 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. 6.2, 6.1 and 6.2 you can do. 6.3 is Pythagorean triples.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma?
I set my answer.
One second. You know what? Too many things on my table. Oh my god. It's falling off. Give me 1 second, guys. Yep. What happened? Okay, I'm checking with you. Oh wow, that's right.
Wait, can you repeat the question, please? I was like solving and I forgot it.
I'm asking Finda. This is the question.
Uh-huh. I have sent my answer.
Hmm?
Teacher, I sent my answer.
That's not correct. Anish, can you do it on the board? Vishnu Ram, correct. Anish, can you do it on the board?
Oh, okay. So I converted this to 64 times 2, which I got
Where's
128.
64 times 2?
Yeah, because yeah.
Anish, that one we are already done, right, Anish? This one is
Oh,
8. How do you solve this, Anish? This is the right triangle I said. So 8 square plus question mark square equal to 8 root 2 the whole square, right?
yeah.
8 square is 64 plus question mark square will be equal to 64 times 2, right? 128. 128 minus 64 is question mark square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Question mark square is 64, so question mark is 8.
I thought that it was like, it gives one picture and then we have to use the other picture to solve this.
Oh no. Then the
I
next
sent
one,
my
the next
answer.
problem was that. The next problem solve and send me the answer.
Oh, I see. I didn't understand that.
Okay, now you got it?
Yeah, sorry.
No problem at all. I'm glad you got it. Okay. Next, guys, let's see these two lines are parallel. Okay. I draw two perpendicular lines. Okay. If, let's say, A, B, C, D. Okay. You need to understand that if AB is parallel to CD, then AC is congruent to BD. You got it? You got it? It's a proportionality theorem. Okay, in school you'll study this as a proportionality theorem. You got it? When two lines are parallel, then the distance that they cut is also equal. Meaning when three lines are parallel, then you know what happens? This is equal to this. Make sense? That's the proportionality theorem. Hmm? ஆமாம் அந்த மேத்னிக் பேக்கில் ரைட் சைடில் மேத்லிக் பேக்கில் 1 second guys, sorry. மேத்லிக் பேக்கில் but I really want to tell you more about the. Ma, Anish, did you get 24? Vishnuram, did you get 24 as the answer or not?
Yeah, I got 24 just now.
Sent it to you.
Sent Amma. Okay. Sorry, Vishnuram.
I got 24.
Okay,
Yep.
good, Anish. Okay. Yeah. So basically, I want you to know this. Since I discussed proportionality theorem, right, let's discuss in terms of triangle as well. Okay, whenever I remember whatever, I really want to give that to you. In the context of a triangle, I never discussed this, right? So let's see.
I have a question for the second question. What do we have to solve?
What is it, ma?
For the second question, what do we have to solve?
For the second question, what do we have to solve? We have to solve for r.
No, not that question. Like that one with the grid.
One with the grid, nothing.
Oh.
You got it?
Mhm.
Okay.
I got the R one. I got 24.
Okay. 1 second, ma. I'm not happy with this. Hold on. This is so much better. 1 second. This is so much better, but why is it not going? Yep. So nice. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Yep. In the context of a triangle, right, we were discussing only with parallel lines and perpendiculars here, right? I really want to discuss the proportionality theorem in the context of a triangle. This is triangle proportionality theorem. What does it say? Here you see, I said when there are two parallel lines, right? These two are parallel lines. Okay. Now, this is a transversal. This is a transversal cutting the same two parallel lines. Makes sense? If a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, intersects the other two sides in different points. This line is parallel to the side this. Right? Let me again say, this side is parallel to this side. Right? This DE is our main thing, is cutting the other two sides in different points. Right? In this case, this divided by this will be equal to this divided by this. Make sense? So
Auntie?
one, this is Yama.
Are triangles BDE and BCA similar?
Yes. Why, you know?
Like the corresponding angles, kind of like angle.
Exactly. Corresponding angles are equal. So what similarity is that? AA similarity. Two angles equal, then the triangles are similar. In similarity, there and here I'll introduce similarity to you. Similarity is just like congruence, right? But corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Here, in similar triangles, corresponding parts of similar triangles are proportional. You got it? You have to write ratios. Sham, you're following, right? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay, what I was discussing, you know Pythagorean theorem, then I don't need to waste so much time here. How about this? Okay, how about this? These are all easy, guys. Okay, find the area of an isosceles triangle with two legs of length 8 and base 6. Base is 6. This is 8. This is 8. What is the area of this triangle? I really want to go to GeoGebra.
Wait, what are we finding?
We are finding the area of the triangle.
Oh, R.
I really want you to understand something here.
I sent you my answer.
Guys, I really want you to prove something before you move on to this. How about we try this one? I really want you to be able to prove this one. Can we try this one? Before you do this problem, even I would like you to prove this. I will come back to this problem soon after this. How about this?
Auntie,
Uh,
I sent my answer for the triangle one.
this one? How did you? Okay, we'll do that. No, I don't have the. 1 second, guys. 6.1.8. 6.1. Hey, Ashwik, and I need it in radicals. In geometry, anytime I need answers only in radicals, no decimals, no using calculators. Ashwik, you forgot the class? Ashwik, you have not joined the Google Classroom. What's going on with you?
I joined the wrong class.
Oh, okay. Is everything okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Which class did you join? Did I make a mistake?
No, it was some problem with my computer, so I had to like change it.
Ritisha, is that right, Amma? The by two, I don't see it. Why? But I don't think
I'm still solving the bisector one, but I just sent the answer for the triangle.
for this triangle you already solved. You're saying, right?
Yeah.
This one, the area is 3 root 55.
Oh, Brandy, I typed it wrong.
But you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Brandy,
Very good job. Hey, it's not 12 rows square root of. Yes, ma?
I used Heron's formula.
You use Heron's formula? No, I don't want you to use Heron's formula.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying prove this first. Prove this first and then do this. Given ABC, where side AB is congruent, I'll always draw mark first. Mark whatever is in the triangle given, and line AD is the angle bisector. If it is the angle bisector, I'll draw like this to indicate the angle bisector of A. So BAD equal to CAD. Prove AD is perpendicular to BC. How to prove that? Seriously? How will you prove that? Let's do.
Well, wouldn't B and D and DC be congruent then?
Which one? Yeah, correct. That's correct. By CPCTC. But wait, let's not run there. First, let's
Okay,
prove.
okay.
Given what is given? AB is equal to AC given. AD is the angle bisector given. Proof should be written like this. So BAD, measure of BAD is the same as CADY, definition of angle bisector. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Then what? What's the next line? I have to go. I don't know anything. I'm a kindergarten student. Go line by line. Then what?
Since let's say BA and AD and CA and AD are the same for both, wouldn't BD and CD equal the same?
Why?
Uh,
Geometry,
that
right? Guys, we need to prove. We need to write proofs. How to write the proof?
Angle bisector theorem.
I know, but how to prove?
Um,
See, it's easy to say the theorems, but proving the theorem all matters, you know. This is not
SSA congruence? Would that work?
what congruence?
SSA.
We
Oh
don't
wait,
have
no.
SSA, right?
Right, that doesn't work.
SAS.
But no, you are on the right track though.
What
So it's
about
congruence.
SAS?
We just have to
It's
figure out.
congruent, yes. The two triangles are congruent, but how do you prove it?
SAS.
Yes, which is SS? Which S? Which A? Which S?
BA. Angle BAD and
BA and AC are congruent. Okay, side. Then
uh
BAD
angle
and CAD,
correct angle.
and then
and
AD is the same
AD.
for both of them. So it'll be
Correct. So that
SAS.
how do you say that?
The
There we
com
write it as AD is congruent to DA. Property. What is the algebraic property? Reflection property, right? Of equality. Right? Or
You
symmetric.
also say
I don't
BD is
remember.
congruent
Huh?
to DC.
Which one, ma?
Can you also say BD is congruent to DC?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, now. Yeah, but that is last, right, Ashwik? We are not there.
Okay.
So, from these three, what do we conclude?
That
Side, side, angle, side.
side
So, what do we conclude?
triangle
Ah,
ABD and ADC are similar.
yeah, that you need to do. Triangle, this is the important step. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ACD. How? SAS congruence. After that,
So BD and DC are congruent.
Why? Why?
Because ADB and ACD are congruent.
True, but why? What is it called? What is it? CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. We did this, right?
Yeah, I was just hard to remember.
Yep. So this is congruent to this. Now, what is that you're observing? So clearly, in an isosceles triangle, the angle bisector divides into two equal triangles, right? Two congruent triangles, right? Now, how do we prove that AD is perpendicular to BC? How do we prove AD is perpendicular to BC?
It's because the corresponding angles ADB and ADC must be equal since they
Why?
form a straight line.
BC is a straight line. BC is a straight. See, instead of this, I can clearly say we don't need to do CPCTC, but wait. Yeah, but you can, yeah, the SAS congruence proof is quite important. After that, my main thing to prove is AD is perpendicular to BC, right? So we have to prove SAS congruence. In SAS congruence, after proving, you have to say ADB, the angle, is congruent to ADC.
Auntie,
Uh,
may I please go to the bathroom?
Go and come back.
Thank you.
So this is CPCTC. But ADB plus ADC will be equal to 180. Why?
Because BC is a straight line.
Linear pair since BC is a straight line. Okay, but because of these two, we can prove ADB is
Auntie,
equal to ADC is equal to 90 degrees. Yeah, go ahead.
I can't see like some of the things that you're writing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Wait. Let me rewrite. No, let me get you. I see what you're saying. Hold on. I'm going to stop and share again. It'll work, but hold on. You're able to see that? Are you able to see it fully now?
Yeah.
Supplementary angles. Did you guys get it? So in an isosceles triangle, the angle bisector is also the altitude. Did you see that? What is an altitude? Angle bisector is the one that cuts the angle into two, so angle bisector. Altitude is from the vertex you draw a line to the opposite base. That when is 90 degrees, right? That is the altitude. Altitude is always 90 degree to the base. That's the height of the triangle. Okay. Perpendicular bisector means a line that is perpendicular but bisects this line such that they are absolutely equal on both sides. That's a perpendicular bisector. Any questions? What is a median? What is a median?
Bisector of the sides.
Yes. Median as on the road, right? This is the road. This is the median. Cuts the road into two equal pieces. That's the median. Can I move on? Okay, now you know this better. This is an isosceles triangle with the base of 6. When you draw the angle bisector, that becomes the altitude. So this is equal to this. Easily you can apply Pythagorean theorem to find the height, right? Then you can easily find the area of the triangle as half times base times that height. Any questions? Shyam, did you follow?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I taught you 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90. You're all same, which is good for me. So should I go over that 45, 45, 90 and 30, 60, 90? Please answer, guys.
Maybe like one quick time, just for like a refresher.
Sure. So there is an equilateral triangle. We always consider an equilateral triangle. This is of side 2x, 2x. Okay. Now I cut that into 2. You can also say this is an isosceles triangle, remember? So this is equal to this, right? When this is 2x, this will be x, this will be x. Any questions? Now let me mark A, B, C, D. I can write AD will be equal to square root of AB square minus BD square. Any questions on that? AD will be equal to 4x square minus x square. AD will be equal to square root of 3x square. Taking the square root out, square root of 3 times x. Does that make sense, guys? So this was an equilateral triangle. This was a 30, 60, 90 triangle. When you think about it, we just derived that this side is root 3x, right? This forms a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So what is the conclusion? In a 30, 60, 90 triangle, what is the conclusion? The ratio of the sides are, how do I remember this, Hypotenuse is the longest side, that is 2x. Root 3 is 1.73x. So 1x, 1.73x, 2x. You got it? So the ratio of the sides are 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Did you get it?
So that formula is basically like the Pythagorean theorem, right?
Exactly. Pythagorean theorem in an equilateral triangle. Can I move on?
Yeah.
This is the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. Now how about the 45, 45, 90 triangle? That is an easy one. Nothing is there in that. Okay. Let's consider 45, 45, 90 means it's an isosceles triangle. X, X, this should be what? You tell me. That is very easy, guys. How would you
X root
find
2.
2x.
Root.
2x?
Root 2x.
Root
Yeah.
2. So what is the, in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, what is the ratio then? This is a 30,
X
60.
to X to root 2x.
Yes. So when we write the ratio, we don't write it with x, right? So we just write
Right.
it out as 1 is to 1 is to root.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Huh?
This one is easy. This is the second special triangle, special right triangle. This is the first special right triangle. Can I move on? It was just a review. Let's see what problems we can solve. How about this? I don't know how to do, but we will try to do together. Huh? Find the area of triangle PQR given PQ equal to QR equal to 8 and PQR is equal to 120 degrees. Do you think you can solve? I don't know how to do this. Let's see. PQ equal to QR equal to 8. Oh my goodness. I know how to do. Why don't you guys try? I'll wait. It's just based off what we learned. Once you draw, you get a good idea of what to do. Try, guys. If you don't know, then I'll solve. There is one more question that says a star. I really want to see whether we are able to solve by ourselves. Let's see. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 20 degrees. Angle A. What? Sorry, guys. AB equal to 20. Angle A equal to 30. Angle C equal to 45. Find BC.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer for the first one.
Oh, this one is interesting, guys. I want to solve
I
this.
also sent my answer.
One second, guys.
I sent my answer for both of them.
Oh wow, you guys are super fast, I feel. So what was on? Wait, 2.5. I'll check, guys. I don't want this noise. Uh, the first one is incorrect, Anish. I'm waiting, Vishnuram. Let me know if you are not able to whoever, then we'll do it on the board. Ashwik, if you're free, you know what you can do? Try to just fill this in. Try to fill in this table. Try to fill in this table. Okay. Start with n greater than 1. Okay. Just fill in till 6. And see the pattern. I want you to see the pattern and tell me what's going on in this table. Please
Awesome
solve the
minds.
first. If you solve the first two, then you can go to the next one. Yes, Sham, you can go. Sham looks
Miss
like
Priya, I
everything.
sent my answers for both of them.
I'm checking, man. Oh. Ritisha, it's not 12, ma. It is not 12. Can you check again? I think you got the concept, but you made a computation mistake.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Okay, go ahead. Vishnu
Yeah,
Ram, you can go ahead with the table.
I edited it. Can you just check?
I will check. Yes, thanks.
Mm,
Go ahead with the
thank
table. Go ahead with the table, see what is peculiar about the table. Vidyut, I'm waiting for you, Vidyut.
I have a question. Is 6 part of the n less than 1 category? Is that in like a separate row?
I'm asking you to fill in the table till 6 and see what is the pattern.
Okay.
You got it, huh?
Yeah.
Meaning there's something about this table. Haha, I didn't see that at all till date. Interesting. I will wait, guys, but do make sure you finish. You finish. If you don't understand, shout out. Yuppa, your class flies. Vidyut, you're doing Vidyut?
Yeah,
Okay, you're going and coming back, going and coming back, right?
yeah. It just crashed for a second. My bad.
No problem.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
I don't really get what you need to answer in number 2.
What do you need to answer in number 2? Find BC, right?
Mm-hmm.
Third one is a table. Number
Yeah,
2, find
Oh,
BC.
I did the table.
okay.
You did this?
Yeah.
For the table, do you want us to just fill it out, or do we have to like find something specific?
Yeah, find something specific. Meaning, what are those? What are those numbers? That's all.
Mm.
Yeah, I found it.
You found it? Okay. We need to do some hard problems, guys. Let me see. என்னடா My god, I'm talking on mute. What are these, guys? I think we are done. What are these sides? What are these? What are these, guys? Ashwik, explain, Ashwik, if you got it.
For n, it would go up by 1. For 2n, it'd go up by 2. For n squared minus 1, the starting number would be 3, and it goes up by 5, and then it gradually goes up by we add 2, so it goes up by 5, 7,
Yeah,
and 9.
what are these then? What are these? What are these?
Um,
In this, which is the longest? Which is the longest? In this one, which is the longest?
N squared plus 1.
Okay. Okay, this is the longest, right? Then why don't I try this one? 2n the whole square plus n square minus 1 the whole square. Can I try?
Yeah.
I'll try adding them together. 4n square.
Can you give me just a
What is
minute?
this? Something I'm getting. I don't know. Do you know the formula for these, right?
Sure, I have everything down.
Do you know the formula for these?
A squared plus B squared minus 2AB.
Yeah.
Yeah, a square plus b square minus 2ab. You got it?
Yeah.
Pratisha, you're stuck?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Okay, so 4n square minus 2n square is 2n square. N power of 4 plus 2n square plus 1. What is this formula?
A square plus B square plus
Quadratic.
C.
Correct. Then what is the short form of that?
Oh,
If this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, what is the short form
n
of
plus
that?
1 squared, n squared plus 1.
N square plus 1 the whole square, right? Now I take square root of this, I take square root of this, I ended up with n square plus 1. What is this? What did I do? So these are the... Did you guys get it? What are these? I did something that you know.
The factors.
What does this tell you?
A Pythagorean triplet.
Pythagorean theorem I applied. So what are these?
The side lengths
Side lengths of what?
A right
of
triangle.
a
A right
triangle.
triangle. So what are these?
Mm,
These are called Pythagorean triples. They are the sides of a right triangle. You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Very interesting, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So these are the sides of a right triangle. Suppose they give you one of the sides of a right triangle which is the smallest, right? Don't even, meaning it's pretty easy in the sense. It's always of the format 2n n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
It's nice, right? I really liked it. Can I move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now Pythagorean triples. So for this week, please do 6.5 Heron's formula is there. 6.6 is construction. We'll do that slowly. So for this week, you know what? I will also put it in Google Classroom. You have to do 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 exercise problems. Make sense? Now, let me ask you. Similarity I need to cover, but how about this? Let me give you this. Okay. If I give you this, do you know how to solve this? Let's say I tell you in a certain triangle the exterior angles are there, right? Exterior angles are in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 7. Now tell me, what is the measure of the interior angle, the smallest interior angle or the largest interior angle? What is the measure of the largest interior angle? It's not a hard one. I'm just reviewing previous ones. Mm-hmm. Let's try that one.
Miss Priya, is that my answer?
Granty, I also sent my answer.
Oh wow, how are you? Logging off, logging in, and sending so quickly?
I got the answer, but then
Oh, you left off, huh?
yeah.
Okay. One of you, two answers, two different answers I'm seeing. Oh wow, Vishnuram, good job, Vishnuram. Ritisha, I think your answer and Vishnuram's answer is correct. Vidyut, you have to check, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashvik, yeah, Sham. Vidyut, you need to check. One of you can explain this, huh?
Oh, exterior.
Wait, I'm almost done solving it.
Okay, let me draw triangles.
Wait.
You can take your time.
mm, I sent my answer.
1 second, huh? Mm-hmm. I'll give you 5 triangles, okay? The last triangle. How about this? Which two triangles are congruent here? Which two triangles are congruent? Vidyut, it's not 140, ma. How can it be 140? Vidyut, the exterior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5x, 6x, 7x, right? Automatically, the largest will be the one with this. I don't know. Let's see. 5x. So this will be 180 minus 5x plus 180 minus 6x plus 180 minus 7x will be 180. Correct? Correct? Now what happens? 360 minus 18x will be 0. 18x will be 360. X will be equal to 20, which is the smallest. Okay. So now largest I asked you, right? This is 100. This is, I'm sorry, this was 20, huh? Yeah, 20 means this is 120. This is 140. So which one will be the largest angle? 80 is the largest angle, right, Vidyut? Okay, now in this, right, which two triangles should be congruent? Which two triangles should be congruent?
Miss Priya, is that my answer for the second one?
I really don't know. So confusing, right, guys?
Oh wait, Miss Priya, for the fourth triangle, you didn't give us the other angle measure.
For the fourth triangle, I didn't give you the angle measure.
You
No,
only give us 42, you didn't give us 55.
no, I don't want to.
Okay.
Granty, I sent my answer.
Let's see. You send the answer?
Mhm.
Oh wow. Can you explain? Correct, Vidyut. Can you explain?
Wait, okay. So,
Sorry, Vidyut.
mhm, mhm.
Anish, it's 80, ma. Vidyut and Anish, how did you
Yeah,
get 70 for this one?
because
70.
that in a triangle,
I didn't read that it was an exterior angle.
yeah,
Ah, you
that's,
also?
yeah,
Oh my goodness. Did you get it, both of you?
yeah.
Okay, we'll move on to this. Who got it? I said somebody was Vidyut, you were able to explain, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So I was just looking with triangles with the order of like the angles and the sides the same. So this one, it was like, let's just label this like angle A and then B and then this side C. This side C here and then A, B. So it's just oriented another way. So this one and this one are the same.
Ah, like that you decided, huh?
Mhm.
Okay, you know what? I found out the third angle of the triangle. When I found out the third angle of the triangle, in this case, right, 83, 42, in between there is one side. This can be, but is there any other triangle like that? 83, 42, and the marking. No, this is not. No, then this side they should have marked. They didn't mark this side. 83, no, none of this matches. So I leave the first triangle. First triangle is not working with anything. Okay. 55, 42 and a middle ground. 55, 42 and a middle one. No, none of this matches. Whereas third one, 83, 55 middle one. 83, 55 middle one. Do you see? Do you
Yeah.
see? So 3 and 5 are congruent. What? By what? By what congruence?
Um, ASA.
ASAY, angle, side, angle. Make sense?
Mhm.
Okay. Can I give you a test, guys, on what you're asking?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we'll wait for one more week, but then I really want to finish the 3.6 nicely before I give you any test. So chapter 1, 2, 3, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 will be the test. Make sense? Maybe after one more week we'll have. But in the meantime, right, uh, I'll post some question papers in geometry. I really want to try whatever you know. Whatever you don't know, it's okay. Make sense? Some question papers where I'm not expecting you to do everything, but I want you to try. Make sense? Will be very useful for you guys. Okay, we'll do it from the start itself this year. Any questions?
No.
Okay, guys, I'll post it in the classroom. Okay. Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Goodbye, Miss Priya.
Bye,
Bye,
Vanya.
Auntie.
Alright, bye.